Sionis.
They're all here for me.
You just killed his BFF, and you're dumb enough to be building a case against him. So...
Yeah, okay.
Slimy Chisnos! I can't believe he took it all!
Brothers! Men of Gotham! I have fun. The rest, you can kill.
Hey, nice. What the hell is up with this bow and arrow shit?
It's not a fucking bow and arrow, it's a cross.
Down here! Follow me! Hair tie?
Yeah.
Get off me. I got you. Ooh.
We gotta go! We gotta move! Guys, they're in the car. They're getting away!
Hit the brakes! I'm the only one who can protect you!
Here's the thing. Really fucking quit.
For what it's worth, you made me want to...
Okay? Yeah. He's gone.
Good. Fuck that guy.
Oh. I really like how you were able to kick so high in those...
Giving her fruit juice, laxatives. I mean, the kid's got a stomach made of steel.
Oh, what now?
Sionis is gone, but it's just a matter of time before some other ass...
Right.
She stole my fucking car! The gangbangers at the booby trap and took all the credit while he was at it. Off the diamond, and Huntress got her family money back. She's using it to fund in the East End.